Okay, this is episode 2 of TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough with your host Terry Davis. So here we go. We're going to hit Alt B and get some bad code, except it's not bad code. Okay, doc to plain text. Okay, this is in the editor, the document framework, and if we have, when we hit Control T, we get plain text. Okay, so these blue entries are macros, the red entries are links. So when we say macro, here's the tag, this is the tag, then it says left macro equals, that's the value of the left macro. I guess this is like a markup language, or I don't know, whatever they call those things. Anyway, if let's see where we are. Okay, so the input is a document entry, which is the internal node for a link or macro or something. And the output is some text. So anyway, so here's what we do. We go through all the flags, and we convert the flags, like LM for left macro. So the flags, there's a flag if it has a left macro. We can look at the flags. Here's the flags. So the first batch of flags is tag auxiliary string define. The first batch of flags is flags that cause an argument. Anyway, so like left macro has an argument. So we go through all the flags, and each entry type there are default flags for each entry type. Like a MA is macro. It has a +X exit flag. It has an underline flag, and it has a tag flag. So what we're doing here is we're checking if the flag matches the default. We don't have to say plus or minus if it matches the default, but if it's different from the default, then we say plus LM or minus or something like that. You saw over here. We don't do that anymore. Anyway, some of the flags, if we say plus B, watch this, plus B, now it has a border. That macro has a border now. So some of the flags have, this is saying if it's not one with an argument, then the text we're concatenating is or not concatenating. How is this? Oh, we are concatenating. We're concatenating what the old value of buff with the new value of buff. This is allocating a string, and we're adding quote plus and then the flag value. Doc flags is a defined list. Doc flags, you see LM, RE. So this is just that's a list of all the flags. So we either say plus or we say minus if the flag was turned off. Anyway, so let's see what else we have here. Blink on the line. Okay, there's flags, and then there's a document entry type. This is basically more flags. Anyway, the type in the load 8 is the type, whether the type in the low the low 8 bits of the type U8 is the actual entry type. And anyway, so what else are we doing? So after we do the flags, the plus or minus flags, then we go through all the arguments, the flags that have arguments. And for each argument, let's look at left macro, see what it does. So if it has a left macro, we concatenate. Okay, so there's a comma right here. We concatenate left macro, and then we this $$Q is a %Q, which is a inverse printf. %Q inverts a printf string, like a backslash. Carriage return gets converted to \n, quote gets converted to \quote. The $$ is I think that makes a $, a double $, or something. Anyway, so after that's all we do. So that's how we convert it to text.